Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 11th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far, but it's a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system here moving across the East Coast, another one moving into the Pacific Northwest, and also the Western U.S. as well. Scattered activity elsewhere. We got one system here, like I said. We're going to take a look at the mid-Atlantic, bringing some snow and rain to you guys as well, some gusty wind. Got some more scattered shower with thunderstorms and gusty winds and some small hail. Been moving across the Carolinas today. Also, that system will continue to pivot on out into the Atlantic coastal water. You see another system here in the Atlantic, one little system in the Caribbean, some activity across the South America region, west, and also the Eastern Pacific. There's that storm system out west, stretching from the Dakotas, also back in the portion of Wyoming, Utah, back to California, Nevada, Oregon, and also a portion of Montana region and Idaho. And then you got another little system here trying to move into a portion of Washington State as well. We'll show you that in the current forecast. But first, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like the video, share the video, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got some mixed precipitation from New Brunswick to Maine to Vermont to New York State to Pennsylvania, all the way down to West Virginia. Also from up here around Rhode Island to New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, D.C., eastern and northeastern Virginia region as well. Some more thunderstorms and showers over here in portion of Minnesota. More shower activity across portion of Lake Superior, northern Michigan, also in the portion of Wisconsin, and also into portion of Minnesota. More through the Dakotas. Critical fire weather issues over portion of Kansas, Oklahoma, North Texas, also portion of New Mexico, southern and southeastern Colorado. Then we got mixed precipitation from Wyoming to Montana to Idaho and Washington State. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, here's your Sunday forecast. You can see we got some mixed precipitation up here in portion of New Brunswick, back in the Maine, portion of New Hampshire. Shower activity for southern Maine, southern New Hampshire, Massachusetts, down toward Connecticut, eastern Connecticut, and around the Rhode Island area. Thunderstorms and showers from Pennsylvania to New York State, up here around Lake Superior, Lake Huron region. Also in the Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, portions of South Dakota. More thunderstorms and showers from western Missouri through Kansas, portion of Nebraska, and also Colorado. We got some mixed precipitation, portion of Colorado to portion of Wyoming, Utah, also in the Montana, North Dakota, also portion of northern Minnesota, also around along the Canadian-U.S. border, and also over portion of the U.S.-Montana border as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches, warning, advisory map for your location across the nation. Okay, coming up here in a minute. Here we go. We got winter weather advisories up here in portion of New Hampshire to Vermont to New York State. Freeze warnings in portions of Iowa and also Indiana, also in the Illinois with frost advisories there as well, stretching in the southern areas of Illinois, also Indiana, much of Kentucky, portion of Ohio. Freeze watches in effect for North Georgia and the western mountains of North Carolina. Also, we got river flood warnings still stretching from Indiana to Kentucky to Illinois to portion of Tennessee to Arkansas to Mississippi, portions of Alabama, Louisiana, also East Texas. Got air quality alert for a couple counties in Texas, stretching up into portion and also portions of eastern Nebraska. Red flag warnings also in effect for portions of Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, South and North Dakota, and Montana. Even got some air quality alerts for portions of southwestern Arizona. Alrighty, then we got some hydro issues over areas of Nevada. Wind advisories over portion of Idaho, portion of Montana. Winter weather advisory is also in effect for a couple counties in Montana. Also frost advisory for northern California, portion of western areas of Washington and Oregon State. Alright, we got the small craft advisory, gale warning stretching from up here around northern Maine all the way down to the outer banks of North Carolina around Morehead City and Newport area. And then we got around the Wilmington area down toward the Myrtle Beach area. This is special marine warning, special weather statements inland and South Carolina as well. Some more special weather statements over North Alabama and also southern portions of Tennessee, Florida region as well. Also, we got some special marine warnings also just east of Jacksonville. Then from around the Tallahassee, Florida region all the way to the southeastern coast of Louisiana. Small craft advisory gale warning is there. And again from Los Angeles, California up to Seattle, Washington area as well for small craft advisory gale warnings. Also around the Hawaii and Chain Islands as well. Around the Alaska area, blue is freezing spray warning. Purple areas here around the coastal areas, winter weather advisory, special weather statements, and winter storm warnings inland in the Alaska region. Alright, here's the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is day number 2, which is Saturday. We have a little area of marginal risk up here around the portion just east of Billings just to Rapid City. General thunderstorm elsewhere from Great Falls, Montana, all the way to Minneapolis, Minnesota, to Norfolk, portions of Nebraska. Tornado probability less than 2% all areas. Damaging winds 5%. Large hail less than 5% all areas. Alright, I would show you day 3, but there's nothing going on with it, so we're going to skip that. We're going to day number 4. And here's day number 4. There's that slight risk still in place. Let's go back to day 4. Trying to take it off, but here we go. Alright, east of Evansville to Louisville, Cincinnati, Charleston, West Virginia, Columbus, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Slight risk of severe weather. Marginal risk will outline the area on day 3, which should be tomorrow. We can show you that there tomorrow for that. Let's take a look at the, let's see, day 7. Could be south central U.S. with potentially greater 3-4 system. Some severe potential may exist. Evidence once predictability improves. So alright, so we'll have to continue to monitor the East Coast. Could be another outbreak here in the middle portion of the country as well. So we'll continue to monitor that. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.